Hi, this is Flow with Sky. Welcome. Today we are going to do a super fun workout, just a warm-up. All you will need is a mat. Let's get to it, starting in a tabletop on the forearms. Neutralize the spine, reach your right leg back, stamp your heel towards the back of the room, exhale, crunch, knee to elbow squeeze. Inhale, expand, exhale, crunch. A few more times, just like that. Deep breaths. Inhale, open up. Exhale, cross right knee behind the left. Try to sink your hips back between your heels. Finding cow face, rocks back and forward. Feel a nice stretch through the hips. Inhale, reach your right heel back. Left fingertips reach forward. Exhale, crunch, knee to elbow, squeeze it in. Inhale, open. Exhale, crunch. Inhale, open. Exhale, crunch. Inhale, open. Exhale, tiger's pose. Reach for your back foot. Kick your foot into your hand. Gaze over your left shoulder. Keep pressing down into your right palm, left shin. Slowly release. Left hand plants. Right leg plants. Shake it out. Inhale, cow pose. Exhale, cat dome through the spine. Onto the other side, left heel kicks back. Exhale, crunch, knee to elbow. Inhale, expand. Exhale, crunch. Inhale, expand. Exhale, crunch. Inhale, expand. Exhale, knee behind knee. Sink your hips back, forward, back, and forward. Almost through. Left heel kicks back, right arm reaches forward. Exhale, crunch, knee to elbow. Inhale, expand. Exhale, crunch. Keep it going. You're almost there. Tiger's pose. Reach for your right foot. Kick your foot into your hand. Gaze over your right shoulder and breathe. Deep breath in. Slowly release on the exhale. Let everything down. Thank you so much. This was Flow with Sky. I hope to catch you next week. Thank you for joining me today for this flow. Bye.